Assalamu alaikum dear students. I hope you all are fine. I am your teacher Hina Amreen and today we have the topic punctuation. What is punctuation? Punctuation is used to create sense, clarity and stress in sentences. You use punctuation marks to structure and organize your writing. Punctuation is based on different marks and today we are going to learn about in this lesson colon. A colon comes after the main part of the sentence. The two main uses are to set off a list or an explanation. Let's learn some rules of using colon. Rule number 1 is use a colon to introduce an item or a series of items. Do not capitalize the first item after the colon unless it's a proper noun. Look at these examples. All these examples have a list or series of items. So, example number 1. You may be required to bring many things. Colon, sleeping bags, pants, utensils and warm clothing. I want the following items. Colon, butter, sugar and flour. Number 3. I need an assistant who can do the following. Colon, input data, write reports and complete text forms. Rule number 2. Avoid using a colon before a list if it directly follows a verb or preposition that would ordinarily need no punctuation in that sentence. Look at these sentences. I want colon, butter, sugar and flour. Here you can see colon is not needed. So it is recommended to write the sentence like I want butter, comma, sugar, comma and flour. Or you can say here is what I want. Now the person is giving a list of the items, colon, butter, sugar and flour. Rule number 3 is when listing items one by one per line, following a colon, capitalization and ending punctuation are optional. When using single words or phrases preceded by letters, numbers or bullet points. So here punctuation marks are optional. For example, I want an assistant who can do the following. Colon and the list is given in the next line. Input data, write reports, complete text forms. Number 2. The following are requested. Colon, wool sweaters for possible cold weather, wetsuits for snorkeling, introductions to the local dignitaries. A colon instead of a semicolon may be used between independent clauses when the second sentence explains, illustrates, paraphrases or expands on the first sentence. For example, he got what he worked for. Colon, he really earned that promotion. Rule number 5. Capitalize the first word of a complete or full sentence quotation that follows a colon. For example, the host made an announcement, you are all staying for dinner. Now in this sentence, the quoted marks are, you are all staying for dinner and Y is capitalized. Rule number 6. Capitalize the first word after a colon if the information following the colon requires 2 or more complete sentences. For example, Dad gave us these rules to live by. Colon, work hard, full stop, be honest, full stop, always show up on time. Now in these sentences you can notice after colon 3 sentences are given and every sentence has full stop and capital letter. Rule number 7. If a quotation contains two or more sentences, many writers and editors introduce it with a colon rather than a comma. For example, Dad often said to me, colon, quotation mark, work hard, full stop, be honest, full stop, always show up on time, full stop, and inverted commas closed. Let's practice using colon in different sentences, and these MCQs will help you to understand the rules of using colon in a sentence. Number 1 is, there were a number of famous people at the restaurant: Britney Spears, Jack Nicholson, and Helen Hunt. Now here 3 options are given: people, colon, at, restaurant, colon, Britney, Nicholson, colon, and. What do you think which can be the correct answer here? The correct use of colon will be restaurant, colon, Britney. After restaurants there should be colon, and the sentence should be like this: there were a number of famous people at the restaurant, colon, Britney Spears, Jack Nicholson, and Helen Hunt. So option B is the correct answer. Let's see the next example. Many jobs interest me: teaching, writing, editing, and social work. So which option is the correct use of colon? Option A, job, colon, interest. Option B, interest, colon, me. Option C, me, colon, teaching. Let's read the sentence again. Many jobs interest me: teaching, writing, editing, and social work. So here the suitable answer is option C. Many jobs interest me, colon, teaching, writing, editing, and social work. The next example is, there are a lot of chores I do not like doing: dishes, washing, windows, and vacuum rugs. Now here you can check which option is suitable for this statement. Option A is doing, colon, dishes. Option B is like, colon, doing. Option C is dishes, colon, washing. Let's read the sentence again. There are a lot of chores I do not like doing. Here should be the use of colon, because after doing there is a list of items given as dishes, washing, windows, and vacuum rugs. So the correct option will be first A, doing, colon, dishes. Let's see this sentence. She did not pass the most important of her exams, math. Now here the person is talking about one subject out of all exams. Let's see the option. Pass, colon, the. Option B, important, colon, of. Option C, exams, colon, math. So according to this, option C is the correct answer. She did not pass the most important of her exams, colon, math. The next example is, he was a world-class athlete, a rowing champion. The options are option A, was, colon, a. Option B, class, colon, athlete. Option C, athlete, colon, A. Now let's read the sentence again to check the suitable answer. He was a world-class athlete, colon, a rowing champion. So according to this, option C is the correct answer. I'm sure students you have understood well all the rules of using colon in your sentences, and these examples will help you to learn the rules properly. Take care all of you. Try to practice at home. See you inshallah in the next lesson. Allah Hafiz. Have a nice time.